Okay, can we just take a moment to appreciate these brows right now? Because honestly, I am obsessed. If you know me, you know I hate spending 20 minutes every morning trying to draw my eyebrows on evenly. So, I finally tried an at-home tint. I used the Kalentin Hybrid Eyebrow Tint in brown from Lash Stuff. You guys, this isn't just a regular dye. It's a hybrid tint, which means it tints the hairs and slightly stains the skin underneath. That is a game changer if you have sparse areas like I do. It totally filled the gaps and gave me this super defined shape, but it still looks really natural. It doesn't look like Sharpie brows, you know? It was ridiculously easy to use, and apparently, it lasts up to 4 weeks on the hair. This is me waking up like this now. It saved me so much time this morning. If you've been scared to tint your brows at home, seriously, try the Kalentin one. I'm literally never going back to pencils.